right, guys. So random's done. Finally. You know, it's not funny, but it's been a crazy day. So this is what happened, right? Yesterday I spilt my tea. All right, it's a small tea. I spilled just a little of it, but it went. All right, so my desktop is on the floor, and so the tea fell directly on top of the desktop, which isn't a big deal. Or just wipe it up, but I have ports on the top, and so the tea went into the ports. It's not sweet tea or anything. It's just unsweet black leaf tea. No. So it's basically water for the most part. It's just water. So I just turned it off, right? Last night I cleaned it up and turned it off and didn't think anything of it. And then when I got in today and turned it on, it wouldn't come on. So what ended up fixing it was a hairdryer. A hairdryer fixed it. But oh my gosh, it was a lot of stress. And then when I went to go live just now, before I forgot about I didn't do the random, I couldn't get the camera to work. And I think it's just the exact same thing. I think the USB port is just wet or damp. And so I moved the camera to the back, and it's obviously here we are. So I didn't check the audio though. Okay, yeah, audio's good. All right, so it's just stressful. But check me out. We just posted me and Jacoby. Hey, Jacoby, yell.
Hey.
Yeah, he's gonna break Thursday. We put up 2 breaks for him. Two small breaks, but I think they're, well, I know they are really good values. Football break and a basketball break. So we're gonna see how he likes it, see how you guys like him, and then we'll go from there. What do you think? Tim Anderson. So I hopefully they'll well, I'm be honest with you, the breaks are gonna fill. There's no question about that in my mind at all. But so we'll just see how he does. Maybe he's just
a
natural. maybe he's just a natural. We'll see. I mean, it's not. If I can do it, it can't be that difficult, right? But the catch is we're gonna ship. Arizona and Kansas City. We're gonna ship the next day. So he's gonna break Thursday. We're shipping Friday. Well, we're actually gonna ship Thursday night, but it'll actually go in the mail Friday. Ray Black, not Brack. Ray Black, 17 out of 50 for the Giants. Now I feel like I have to hit a nice Arizona or Kansas City hit. Now you've J-Max got me painted into a corner here. I've got to pull something out of my hat for those teams. Rugi, that's cool. 24 out of 25 for old Rugi. Maybe I'll hit you a nice superfractor. I don't really. Uh-oh. There's a nice hit. What's his name? That, my friends, is Pete Alonso. That's a big hit. That's a nice card right there. Very, very nice. What's up, guys? You guys doing all right? Except for, the whole Kansas City and Arizona thing. That's not my fault. Jay Brooks, he helped me do the random, so that's his fault.
Already messing up.
He's not off to a good start. That's all I can say. Oh my gosh, I'm having a hard time. It's just, you know what, this whole day. Yeah, how'd you do? Tell me how you did. I had one guy said he didn't get the hit, which is not, it's not impossible. I mean, it certainly can happen. But other than that, I thought they looked okay. Not everybody was super happy with them, but I think overall. I think I've got Chrome update. I know I have it. I just don't know when I'll get it. Blowout's got to get it first. Oh, who was it? Javier Baez. But I know they've already got it on the way. I just don't know exactly what day they'll get it, and then they ship it right to me once they have it. So that's all we're waiting on for update. Just waiting for the boxes to come. I'm excited about it. I always like that product. I know not as many people are as gung-ho about it this year as I am, but no way.
What is it?
Did you really? Did you really hit the Devers Auto Superfractor? Oh my gosh, you've got to send me a picture of that. That's a huge hit. Holy cow. Austin Riley rookie, that's amazing. Yeah, the Babe Ruth's a cool card. I like that card. Yeah, man, you got to send me an image of that. Tweet it to me or post it in a thread or something. Jake Cave, that's is that better than the red Tatis? You know it's up there. It's up there with the red Tatis for best hit. You think it's bigger? It's wow. That's amazing. That is a super huge hit. That means that I had 2 cards in that release. 2 cards in the 20K range. That's amazing. Holy cow. Christian Vasquez, 12 of 25 for the Red Sox. Yeah, definitely send me a picture of that. That's so cool, man. And when it comes in, send me another picture. That's amazing. Whew. 2 cards. All right, think about it. There were 200 boxes, okay? 200 boxes. And they were $100 each. So that was 20 grand, $110 each, $22,000. In those $22,000 worth of boxes, delivered now, there were 2 cards worth that much. Holy cow. I mean, I gotta figure it's a $20,000 card. It's gotta be close. If I'm off, I'm not off by much. That's amazing. Yes, definitely. Please send me a photo of that. I gotta put that up on Twitter right away. And they're sold out. I don't have any more. So I can't even use it to advertise. That's incredible. Oh my gosh. Orange Ozzy Albies. That's a nice card. Albies Future Star. $15 out of 25 Ozzy Albies. In the mystery boxes, somebody hit a red sapphire auto of Tatis. And then J-Mac hit the Rafael Devers Superfractor auto out of 18 Bowman. Right? 18 Bowman? Oh, no. 18 Topps Chrome. That's crazy. Reese McGuire. And I didn't have very many 18 Topps Chrome. He wasn't 19 Topps Chrome, right? No, yeah. Reese McGuire for the Blue Jays. Wow, another nice hit. For the Blue Jays, Vladdy. That's a big card right there. Oh, 18 Chrome update. Yeah, okay, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, I did have a lot of those. Every box had one of those. Yeah, okay, now I understand. Yeah, okay. Cool. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, he just told me about it just now in the chat. He even slow rolled it. He was like, I got a redemption. And he waited a while, and then he was like, Deaver Superfractor Auto. Strasburg, JD Martinez. That's really cool. Yeah, definitely. If you can, man, post a photo in that thread. That's. Whew. Kevin Pilar. Hunter Renfro. Justice Sheffield. Justice Sheffield rookie. Taylor Ward for the Angels. Another green auto. 43 out of 50, Taylor Ward. No, I didn't. I don't know. I mean, they're probably sold out now, but I didn't touch them. Look at that. Jimenez, too. This is a really good break. I mean, I'm sure they're fun. I know that a lot of people enjoy them, but I basically stay away from the minis. Although anything this year is a pretty good seller. Not that I know of. None of the big four supers have shown up that I know of. Got a red. Nimmo for the Mets. 4 of 5. Was that the auto? Wow, you got a really good hit, too. That's funny. That's like a $500 card, the Ichiro. Something like that. In that ballpark, anyway. That was a pretty good buy. Pretty good $109, yeah. Oh, that's crazy. Just crazy. Jacob Nix, Doggy Door Nix, Max Scherzer. Dawel Lugo for Detroit. Yeah. Yes, this is 6. Pretty much we've hit everybody but Tatis. And we're just over halfway. Brandon Lau. That's a nice card right there. Brandon Lau. 13 out of 25. It's a nice card. Speaking of Brandon Lau. Brandon Lau. Yeah, with the sticker auto, that's still a great card. Well, the only way to get a Superfractor in 19 update is Silver Pack. And so the Silver Pack would be the 84. Yeah, that's the only Superfractor there is in that set. Kristen Stewart. Yeah, sure. Max Stassi. Another green. I mean, we haven't hit a big auto, but we've hit some big color. 6 of 50 for the Cardinals. Albert Pujols. Cole Stewart, rookie. 8 of 25. No, I didn't touch triple threads this year. Jacob deGrom. David Dahl. All right, guys, 2 boxes left in break 6. Then we'll do 7. I'm going to guarantee 8 and 9 tomorrow. Maybe 10, but definitely guarantee 8 and 9. So if you're in 8 and 9, you're absolutely breaking tomorrow. Yeah. Acuna. Nice card. JD Martinez. For the Astros. Up high, down low. Springer. And Altuve. And Acuna. That's a nice card for the Astros. Manny Margot. Rowdy Tellez. Freddie Freeman. Corey Kluber. Another Rowdy Tellez. I think I only filled. Well, I only put up 5, so I don't know if they've all filled. I'll have to go look. But I think 3 was definitely getting filled. Oh, that's a nice card. Francisco Mejia. 7 of 10 for the Padres. It's a nice hit. But I've got 20. The problem is I paid damn near website for them, so they're what, 2 weeks away, right? Prism. I think it's 11/20 or something like that. All right, so last box, break 6. Yeah, I'll go update that Prism. I also need to go and tonight I'm gonna update Tyler Flowers, 2 of 25 for the Braves. The living set. So I know people have been asking. I wanted to wait until I had more information. Ohtani and Brandon Lau auto to go with his orange and his base. It's a little scratched up. Those might buff right out. Yeah, I'm waiting for the checklist. Some people want me to do team. Paul Goldschmidt, pick your team. So I'm waiting for that information. Hunter Renfroe. Oh, no way. Another Pete Alonso. Second to last pack, we had a $300 card. That's crazy. And that's it, guys. That's it. It was a great break, though. I mean, 8 boxes, and we hit 4 of the big 4. We just didn't hit Tatis. We hit Alonso twice. And I think three green autos? I think. It's a lot of color for autos. You know, in this, for sure. All right, let me recap it for you. But congratulations to the Mets. I mean, you destroyed the break. Great job. Yeah, I'll have to figure out. Well, I got to wait for the checklist to be 100% sure on teams, you know. I think. Unless somebody's successfully done checklist prices, pre-checklist prices, I guess I could use those. Pete Alonso, Eloy Jimenez, Vladi, and Pete Alonso. So it's a great break for top 4. Otani, Tyler Flowers to 25, Mejia to 10, Brendan Rodgers, Acuna, Astros, Cole Stewart, Brendan Lau orange, Nimmo red for the Mets, Justice Sheffield, Ozzy Albies, that's a nice card, Vasquez Riley, Odor, and Gleyber Torres. So some nice cards there. And then our autos, we hit a lot of color. Brendan Lau, Rowdy Tellez, Ponce de Leon, 6 of 50. Dawel Lugo, Taylor Ward, 43 of 50. Reese McGuire, Jake Cave, and Ray Black, 17 of 50. So a lot of color. And then, of course, these big 4. What's 12-4? Because 12-4 is when draft comes out, so I don't push Prism back. whatever you do, don't push Prism back because I'm gonna be busy. That's crazy. Yeah, no, not great if you had the Padres. We hit some Padres, though. Didn't we hit an orange Padre? Just not the Padre you were hoping for. But, I mean, as far as breaks go, it was pretty good. Oh, shit. That sucks. They're trying to mess with Topps. It's got to be Topps' biggest release of the year is 12-4. That sucks. I'm going to need another breaker on 12-4. I wonder who I can find. Whew. All right, guys, let me save your video.